It may be more acceptable because of the types of sports that we're playing, or the fact that it's always been traditionally a male sport, or it's always been seen as through that lens of being male dominated.
The club is now 100 and a few years old, and for the majority of that, almost 90 years, there wasn't a girls team, but now the girls team's come on board. It just brings a whole nother demographic of people to the club that just makes it that much better. The more people at the club who want to get involved, the better the club is.
I think it's just been accepted because that's the way it was back in the day. I think as well with sport's predominantly been just men in terms of professional sport. But I think, with the obvious ones of AFLW, but even the NRLW, all these women's sports coming on board and getting watched and growing at their own pace, I think at that will start to bridge that gap, which is super important.
If you're also surrounded by a majority men, the onus should come on us to pull everyone in line and actually tell each other what's right and what's wrong. So I think sometimes in a football environment, people can get lazy and not call each other out on certain actions.